Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So at California RV Specialist, right? So anyways, we are at a pause on this mobile suites job. The owner just came in today to come take a look at it. We've got it all covered and tarped off to keep any dust and dirt from getting inside the slide out. The whole floor is currently ripped off of it, and we had to take it all apart, measure it to get exact measurements. We're having a laminate floor made that's going to be bonded for us, except for they're going to do the underlayment on it, a couple thin layers of 1/8 inch, and then we'll go back and glue 3/4 ply to it because of the actual floor thickness is 1 inch. While we're doing that, we also covered up this room so no dust and dirt gets inside there. And then the guys, of course, got to come back and clean up all the outers, replace the seals, replace the bulb seals, clean up all the roof stuff, get him all squared away. So just giving you like a progress report, and you can go back and see the other videos where we actually removed the room and tore it out, and how we're trying to save this guy so that he can go out and start using it again. But this whole floor ended up becoming rotten because of the lower flange and a combination of a washer and dryer leak. So it's very important that you're checking all your connections. So if you have a washer dryer equipped in a slide out or up even in the front area of a cap, and then also to keep up on all your sealants on your slide outs, whether it be the side seams, rear seam, front seam, flange seams, and so on. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your RV specialist. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.